So here I am out in the garage again. I'm working on the inner fender for my son's 52, that parts truck that I went to New Mexico and got. We got to cut some parts out, and I've never welded sheet metal before, so this should be interesting. So here it goes. So there's my patch. I think this area right here, I think is visible. I'll have to go over and look at my other one and see. I think it's okay. We'll see how it paints up. The back side, that'll be sprayed with undercoating, so I don't think I'll see any of that. Had a little bit of an issue right here. Still don't know how that got low. I used 22 gauge still, but you can see how it's kind of low right there. But I'm not sure what exactly I did. But yeah, you might just see the lower edge right in there of that. So I don't know what I'd be able to do to get less porous welds, because it looks like I have little dimples in there. I was using 0.30 with I think it's 20% gas, cooling gas on the MIG. But I think it'll paint up nice. I don't think you'd ever see that, and maybe I'll put some Bondo on it when I'm doing some of Tate's apron. But thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and I'll keep posting some videos. Thanks again.